Traders from around the world, amazing news. Come on. So pumped about this one. I want to introduce a partnership that has been long awaited, a new funded account program with Real Life Trading. We have partnered with the prestigious, the premier Apex. Apex Trader Funding and Real Life Trading have come together in a marriage of incredible unison. Our goal and mission is to provide traders with access to not only capital, but customer service that is paramountly better than everyone else. Our previous funding program lacked two main things, and that's why we're making this huge change. Number one, communication and customer service. And number two, payouts. The previous payouts was done in crypto, and we realized that a lot of our customers didn't like that and they felt a little bit sketched out by it. So as time progressed, Apex and Real Life Trading came together and said, you know what? Let's come up with an amazing way to not only allow traders to access more capital, but to also pay them in US dollars, wired ACH to your bank account. I know that's a big deal. I realize that's a huge component of so many reasons that traders were worried about other funding programs. And so now the most prestigious funding firm on earth and Real Life Trading have joined forces finally. As you know, you have the ability in Apex Trader Funding to have access to so many different types of trading platforms, 150, 250, 300. There's a lot of different charts and evaluation resets that are so flexible. This is the biggest company that provides the most payouts. $10 million is the average monthly payouts every single month, which means this company is legit. They are here. We are here to make sure that you get not only educated, but you get more capital in your bank account so that you can continue to accelerate your cash flow, your freedom, your family's finances. We have the ability to do so many trades here. You can trade equity futures, S&P, the NASDAQ, mini Dows. You have currency futures, which is awesome. Euro, Canadian dollar, British pound. You do have agricultural futures, which I'm excited about. I've dabbled in soybeans and wheat in my past. Energy futures, metal, micros, and of course, we have micro Bitcoin and micro ETH as well, giving you the access to short and go long with a sprinkle of leverage some of your favorite crypto positions. So very thrilled, extremely excited to welcome this amazing merger of powerhouses that are going to change and continually improve the trading game and help you become financially free. And yes, we finally have a corporate coupon code. Man, it's been like 10 years. When you use code REAL, you already know what it spells. Code REAL, you will always get the absolute best deal imaginable and available. That is our personal code because we are partnered now fully with Apex, and we're here to once again create so much value for so many people all over the world. REAL, you know what it spells. Let's go.